In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Taxi Life, a city driving simulator on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now the next step is to quickly search up this game at Steam, but don't worry, we are not going to buy it at this website. So we only search it up and then we will continue to another webpage to download this game. So go to the Steam website. After that we search up the game Taxi Life Simulator and then select the game. Now once you have done that, scroll a little bit down, and after that you will find out that this game is on Steam for €13.49. The next step is go to the video description, because we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. So go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is of course to search up the same game Taxi Life, a city driving simulator. Now once you have done that, click on search, and then we will go to the left side and there we will click on games. The next step is to sort by price lowest first, and what you will do now is search for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can click on it. Once you have found one and open the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €10.93 compared to the Steam price of €13.49. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.